Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Friday. I just got home from bringing my mom to the airport and going to BJ's. This haul was $284 after coupons with tax and everything. It was $284. Last week there was no grocery haul, which you guys know. My mom was here and we just kind of wung it, and we went to the grocery store whenever we felt like it. We kind of grabbed some stuff here and there. We did a lot of cooking and I really just wanted to enjoy the time with her, but I am back now with my regular grocery haul and I'll show you guys my meal plan as well. I think I'm going to start in the back. I got our usual Scoops chips in the bigger bag. I also grabbed some Doritos because Super Bowl is coming and I'm probably going to put like a big bowl of these out, like chips and dip. I got some Goldfish. I got some BJ's brand butter. My girl Kira over at 50 Shades of Mom got me onto this butter. It is a really good deal. It's like 10 bucks or $10.99. I know it's either 10 or $10.99. And you get all of these here. There are 16 sticks, so we've been loving those. I got some of my favorite diced tomatoes. I use these for chili and soups and pasta bakes, all kinds of things. And then, let me just move this stuff. I got a big variety 32 pack of the Apple and Eve Organics. There's apple, fruit punch, and grape in there for Grady. I also got some of these sausage and cheese breakfast sandwiches, just something different. I usually get the Jimmy Dean. I give these to Matt either once or twice a week as like a little breakfast option for him to take with him on his drive to work. I grabbed these Southwest style chicken mini egg rolls. They have jalapeno cheese, white meat chicken, corn, black beans, and poblano peppers. I'll probably save these for Super Bowl. I finally found the big, huge bottle of the Coffee Mate Natural Bliss. This is in the sweet cream flavor. And this is the biggest one I've seen so far. I think it was like $5.99, which is a good deal because in Target it's $5.48, I think, and the bottle is smaller. I fell in love with this last time I went to BJ's. My mom put me onto this. It is the Nature's Kitchen Fresh Salsa. I don't know, just something about it. It's really, really good. I used it for dipping. I used it to make nachos. I even threw some in pasta bakes. It's just really, really good. If they had a longer shelf life, I would have bought two. But this one's sell by date is February 1st, which is not too far away from where we are now. But if the sell by date was longer, I would get two. These were actually on sale half off because they are holiday print, which I could care less about because they're just lint rollers. I use these for my clothes, for my bedding, anywhere there's cat hair. So normally this would be $12.99 and they were on sale for $6.48. So I had to grab those, even though I do have a couple left in my laundry room. I still wanted to grab them. I got a 2-pound thing of Jimmy Dean sausage. I'll cut this in half and then freeze them so I can get 2 different meals. I found some Olive Garden dressing. I've never, for whatever reason, noticed that BJ's carried this, but I love this stuff, so I got the 2-pack of that. I got some more of my husband's, the Roltini singles. This is the mozzarella and prosciutto, and these are substantial size. He loves these, so I grab these each time I go to BJ's now, so he'll be very happy about that. I got some Sargento sharp cheddar cheese sticks. I think these are like $6 for 24 of them. I also got these Oscar Meyer natural turkey breast. They're turkey, cheese, and then you get like Triscuit crackers. I think this is a 4-pack, yes. And they're pretty substantial to throw in his lunches in the next couple weeks once in a while. I got a huge thing of chicken thighs. This is a 2.5-pound container, I think. So I will cut this, portion this out in half and get 2 separate chicken thigh meals out of this. I also got some beautiful shrimp. These are huge. They are the naked, they're like the jumbo cooked shrimp. So I'm gonna use these for shrimp cocktail or some kind of shrimp with dip or something. Again, football for Super Bowl. I got some Stonyfield yogurt pouches for Grady. This is the strawberry and blueberry. I got this cheese sampler. It was a good price. It was under $10, and this thing is huge. It's 32 ounces. Again, love this brand, that Wellesley Farm brand. But this is the sampler with white Munster cheese, New York aged cheddar, Gouda, and the Havarti cheese with dill. So I thought this would be good to portion out in little baggies with like pepperoni and crackers for Matt's lunches, and also again for football. I got a 6-pack of broth. I use chicken broth all the time for soups and pasta dishes and all kinds of things. So I got the 6-pack of that. I grabbed this, I don't know if it was the same brand, but it was the same concept at Costco last month, and they were really good. I found they were excellent for me to have in the fridge for lunch options when I was home. I make some rice, like I'll make a big batch of rice, maybe some roasted veggies, like on a Sunday, and then I'll portion them out. They're also really good just to cut up and put on a salad. So I grabbed these garlic and herb ones. They're fully cooked, ready to go. You could technically eat them cold with like a peanut sauce. They're just really yummy, and they had a coupon for those, so I grabbed those. I got some Annie's fruit snacks. I got some of the Persil Pro Clean. Huge bottle, it's a club size detergent. I've been loving this stuff. I do a load of wash every day and several loads on the weekend, so I go through quite a bit of detergent, so I was happy to grab one of these again. We needed garbage bags for our main kitchen garbage, so we always get the Glad Force Flex. This one has like the Gain and Febreze in it. I got some Little Bites in the chocolate chip. Matt loves these. Grady loves these. I like them. So I get them whenever I can at BJ's. They're like $7.99 for a 20-pack. Box of Kleenex. We go through quite a bit of them. My mom actually was here and she had allergies. I have sinus issues, so we needed tissues. And then lastly, I have been loving these little mini waters. They're 8-ounce little Deer Park waters. They're so tiny and cute. I like them because, well, mainly my son drinks them, but I like them because I put these all the time in my bags, and they don't make my bag feel like I have a brick inside of it, because a huge bottle of water always makes my bag feel weighed down. These were a really good price. I think it was like $5, and there are 48, again, 8-ounce bottles in here. I give Grady a couple of these every day for school. One for his, you know, if he brings lunch, or for his snack. He always has one in his backpack. I bring these pretty much, I grab one every time I leave the house, especially if I'm in a hurry and I don't have like a travel mug with coffee or something in it. I love these. Really, really good deal as well. So this is everything again, guys. $284. I'm going to share with you my meal plan for the week. For the week of Sunday the 28th through Saturday, February 3rd. So one night I'm going to do, I made a spiral ham this week, and I have leftover ham, so I'm going to do a ham and veggie pasta bake with salad and bread to use up that ham. I have some ground turkey, and I also have feta cheese, so I'm going to do some turkey feta cheese burgers, and I'll do it on the brioche rolls. I'll make some pierogies and then veggies or a salad, one or the other. Another night I'm going to do that Spanish style chicken stew. It's kind of just a recipe that I made up. It's really easy, like 5 ingredients, crock pot recipe. I'll link that down below. And I'm going to do some cornbread and salad with that. I'm going to use those chicken skewers one night. I'll make like 2 boxes of wild rice. I'll make some chicken skewers. I'll do some roasted potatoes and veggies, and I will just do double roasted potatoes and veggies just like the rice, and then portion it out to have for lunches next week. I'm going to do some pasta primavera with a bunch of different veggies with some pesto sauce, some bread, and some salad. My mom brought some bread from New York, so I have a couple loaves frozen. So I'll make that one night, which would be a good meatless night. And then I'm going to make some chicken, Asian chicken lettuce wraps. It's like a P.F. Chang's copycat recipe. I will link the video for that down below as well. And then I'll just make some steamed rice, and then either dumplings or egg rolls. These 2 things I just have frozen. I like the Annie Chung's dumplings. I just like to try a lot of different store-bought dumplings and egg rolls, and I'll make one or the other to go along with the lettuce wraps. And then of course I allotted my night for breakfast or leftovers. I just wanted to make it easy on myself. Last week, again, my mom was here. The week before that, we had a couple snow days. Grady was out of school. Then we had Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So, and then the week before that, we were coming off a long, like 16 or 17 day Christmas and New Year's break. So needless to say, January has been a crazy, hectic, busy, pretty unproductive month for me so far. So I really need to play catch up. I'm like 2 to 3 weeks behind on videos because of the past few weeks. So wanted to make it easy on myself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye guys.